Hey there gamers, in this video I'm going to talk to you about how you can do the Drakesfall Gorge puzzle in Crimson Desert. So first things first, what you want to do is come to where I currently am at the start of the puzzle. If you're not familiar with where the puzzle itself actually is, it's directly below the text for Drakesfall Gorge just here. So I am currently northeast of Herdnand, above the hills of No Return, and then basically where you've got Drakesfall Gorge, I'm effectively slap bang in the middle of it, below the text just here. And you want to come to the entrance here, and what you're looking for basically is this sort of stone path walkway, and if we step on it you'll see that then we actually push it down. The swords on the statues raise, and then if you look at the statue at the end there, you can see we just saw the blue eyes light up and then the statue's head turns around. This is effectively a Squid Game type scenario where we are going to have to run to the end while the eyes aren't looking, and then whenever it turns around and looks at us again is when we effectively have to stay still. So whenever it's turned like that we can move forward, and then when its head turns around and shows blue we cannot move. Run up to the end like such, reach the end like this, and then when that happens he will then turn around, and there we have it. So really nice and simple. Then all you need to do is go ahead and claim the Abyssal Crescent. So I really hope that this video helped. Please do drop a like and subscribe if it did, and I really hope that this helped you do the Drakesfall Gorge puzzle. Thanks for watching.